Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Phil Miles and I am the Gas Quality Control Manager for Robert Heath Heating. Today, my topic is to talk about carbon monoxide poisoning and its effect on the human body. Carbon monoxide is an extremely poisonous gas which can cause injury or death to humans. If you are exposed to a carbon monoxide leak, you may experience some flu-like symptoms such as headaches, nausea, euphoria and dizziness. To combat carbon monoxide leaks, first, we must ensure that all your gas appliances are regularly serviced and maintained. Secondly, fit a CO detector and place it as near to the boiler as is possible. If the worst case scenario and the appliance does start to leak carbon monoxide, you will hear an audible alarm from the appliance such as this. If the audible alarm goes off, the first steps are as follow. Number 1, isolate the gas supply at the meter by pulling the handle to the downward position. Next, number 2, isolate the electrics to make sure the appliance is properly turned off. Number 3 is to ventilate and open all the doors and windows to make sure the area is well ventilated. Finally, number 4 is contact your emergency gas service provider on 0800 111 999.